to congratulate Bhavesh Bhai and Varmora for this excellent experience center, which I was expecting them to make one in Delhi NCR, because this has made life so easy for us.
The gallery has been very well designed. At least every opportunity for using a tile has been demonstrated very well. Whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom or a showroom or a barber shop, everything has been demonstrated very adequately for allowing clients to imagine what is likely to come. So they can come and have a look at things and see how things are going to get finished out. That's fine. Because the problems of cutting the tiles, etc., which you otherwise feel that the tiles will not give you a good finish, you are able to show that and everything is coming out neatly. I think that's fine.
Today I got a chance to visit the new showroom of Varmora Tiles. This is one of the best showroom I have seen so far in North India. And the variety of the tiles they have, enormous. All ethical tiles they have the modern tiles they have. Any size we can expect. As a designer, as an architect, there's so much choice is available in the market. Yeah, I think it's a one-stop showroom actually. You can buy anything, any kind of tiles from here.
Recently, I used Varmora tiles for one of my projects, and I'm very much satisfied and happy with the finish and the quality of the product. And the best thing about the brand, which I felt, was that the variety they offer to the architects and the designers. They have so much of range. Their mini tiles and their printed tiles, which you can never find in any other brand. So I really recommend Varmora to all my customers, and I would definitely use them in all my upcoming projects.